Welcome to this tutorial on how to receive crypto on Revolut. Revolut is a popular digital banking platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. To get started, you will need to have a Revolut account and a smartphone with the Revolut app installed. First, open the Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. This is where you can view your crypto balances, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and receive crypto payments. To receive crypto, you will need to generate a unique cryptocurrency address. This address is used to receive crypto payments from other users. To generate a crypto address, tap on the cryptocurrency you want to receive, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then tap on the Receive option. Revolut will then generate a unique address for you to share with the sender. You can copy this address and share it with the sender, or you can use the QR code option to make it easier for the sender to send you crypto. When sharing your crypto address, make sure to only share it with trusted individuals or organizations. Never share your crypto address on public platforms or with untrusted sources, as this can put your crypto funds at risk. Once the sender has sent the crypto to your address, it will take some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. The confirmation time will depend on the type of cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will be able to view your updated crypto balance in the Revolut app. It is also important to note that Revolut may charge a small fee for receiving crypto payments, so be sure to check the fees before receiving any payments. In addition to generating a crypto address, you can also use the Revolut app to track your crypto transactions and view your transaction history. This can be helpful in keeping track of your crypto payments and ensuring that your funds are safe and secure. In conclusion, receiving crypto on Revolut is a straightforward process that requires generating a unique cryptocurrency address and sharing it with the sender. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely receive crypto payments on Revolut. Always remember to only share your crypto address with trusted individuals or organizations, and be aware of any fees associated with receiving crypto payments.